Jeremy Coker, the now former team manager of Star Yamaha, is on his way over to Triumph. This obviously comes after, was it November 20th, where Triumph parted ways, fired, whatever you want to call it, their team principal, Bobby Hewitt. So you guys say they're poaching from the best. Obviously, Star Yamaha and Yamaha in general has been a very strong team for, what, 10 years now? Well, winning team for 10 years, but strong team for a very, very long time. And you got to give it to Triumph, you know, hiring people, building bikes, from endurance, hiring Johnny Walker to, hiring now him, Jeremy Coker. They are putting some money into this. This is not a short-term deal. This is not a, hey, we're here for a couple years. We're hiring the best. We're going to be bringing around for, we're not going to be bringing, we're going to be being around for a long time. And I'm excited for it. Obviously, like I think the more teams you have, the more big teams you have, the better chance it is for everybody to get a high level ride, a ride that with, factory backing, with money backing, it's always going to be a good thing. And so this is fine. Obviously, Yamaha will be perfectly fine. They will find somebody to replace this. And I don't really worry about them in general, but it's just going to be one of those neat things now. Who do they hire? Who do they promote? Or, who do they bring up to be their new team manager? And let's see how Yamaha, or not Yamaha, let's see how Triumph does this year. Obviously, last year with the Supercross. Next year, I think it's going to be the 450, if I'm correct in thinking that. So you're going to have some more rides, some more changes coming in for that team, and hopefully this year, he helps them improve, and next year they get even better. But you guys comment down below, tell me what you think. Good signing. Should you have stayed at Yamaha? Whatever it is you want to say, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.